Joey, ikwento nyo naman, paano nga ba nabuo tong partnership with Bossing?
Early last year, we're doing a meeting with our management team together with some consultants. Of course, we're looking for the new face of Sunday for 2025 onwards. Ang isang topic namin is institution na tayo 18 years. We would like someone who exemplifies the values of Sunday. So nilatag namin yung values of Sunday. Pursuit of excellence, sincerity in helping other people, positive. Yun yung core values ng Sunday. Isa sa nag-pop up na name is Vic Soto. Alright? Noong una hindi pa nag-sink in eh. Pero after a few days, hindi na kayo makatulog. Vic Soto, continuous research na until dumating yung time na we believe that everything happens for a reason. It's just something exploratory, hindi na kayo makatulog. Noong explore namin, eto na, sunod-sunod na. Until dumating yung time, kausap na namin si Mr. Maru and the rest is history. And everyone is so excited whenever we mention the name of Vic Soto sa board of directors, Execom, parang no questions asked. Institution, 18 years na tayo, it's Vic Soto. No questions.
Wow, nonetheless.
Nakakatuwa naman kung gano'n.
Totoo yun po. Totoo yun po. Hanggang ngayon nga puyat pa sila.
Salamat.
Pero ikaw, Bossing, yung inilapit sa inyo ito na inyong team, what was your initial reaction na, wow, bilang isang institusyon din sa Philippine showbiz, i-represent nyo yung Sunday Barley?
I've heard of Sunday Barley before, 18 years na, di ba? And nung there was an offer for me to endorse the product, I did my own research. Ano ba nagawa ng barley? Di ba? Anong mapapala mo pagka uminom ka ng barley? So I did my research. Maganda pala. Mahusay pala. It's a superfood. And so I sat down with them, with my brother Maru, and I found out all about Santerre International. And hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. I said yes, right away. I'm happy and honored to endorse this kind of product na nagpo-promote ng healthy living. Kasi ako, I'm basta pagdating ng usapin ng mga tungkol sa kalusugan, magandang pangangatawan, ako'y nangunguna dyan. So, when I found out that Sunday Barley, kung saan galing yung barley nila, nalaman ko na galing sa New Zealand, yun yung pinakamataas na kalidad ng barley. So, I said yes.
That's awesome. Actually, kami nga sa press yun yung lagi namin tanong, ba't mukhang bata si Bossing, anong ginagawa niya? Nasagot na pala ngayon. Ito, pag-inantay mo pala itong press ko na ito para malaman namin.
Ito na yung mga isa sa mga...
Oo.
Hindi na sikreto ngayon.
Kaya nga yun na nga yung ritual. But of course, speaking of friends from the press, Tito Chuk, kaya handing it over to you para sa mga kapatidan sa press na magtatanong.
Maraming salamat. Congratulate muna natin si Bossing. Napakaganda ng nakita.
Yes, box office!
At tatapos na ng MMFF, bubuksan natin ang 2025 ng Major Pasabog. Starting off with the editor of Abante, my dear friend, June Lalin. Siya ang una magtatanong. Tito June. Gusto mo yung Tito June?
Yan. Good afternoon. Hi, Bossing.
Hi, June.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Excited ako kanina. Nakasabay kita sa CR. Sabi ko, isusundan ko na interview ko sa loob ng CR si Bossing. Pero kidding aside, Bossing, syempre kami, talagang si Bossing talagang super PR, no? Kahit ano pa sabihin mo, kahit may issue, kahit ano pa, pag nakita niya ang press, talagang siyang unang bumabate. Kaya we love you, Bossing. So, bawal daw ang intriga. So, ang tatanong ko is, Siyempre, ako kasi, I'm taking Sunday Barley also di ba? It's really, you're always on the go. Kaya po ba, siyempre...
Tagal ng tanong.
Kailangan po kasi pasok ang Sunday.
Ang haba ng intro.
Hindi, tanong mo? Hindi, Bossing, hindi intriga to. Bossing, nakakatuwa, no? Ramdam mo yung health benefit talaga ng product.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Ano nga ulit yun, John?
Yan,
Ano daw po yung benefits ng Sante Barley na nararamdaman nyo?
yeah.
Yung first time na dinate nyo po yun?
Kakaiba, yung naiba sa pakiramdam mo when you started taking Sante Barley. And bago pa po kayo nag-accept, tinake nyo ba muna? Sinubukan nyo, bossing?
Nag-uusap pala kami. Binigyan na ako ng 5-year supply of Sante Barley. na talagang buong bahay namin talagang we take it on a regular basis at mararamdaman mo mararamdaman mo yung kakaibahan ng pangangatawan mo once you start taking it like sabi ko nga kanina, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach bago ka mag-breakfast, Sante Barley muna. Ang dami benefits may cleansing na, tapos yung immune system mo, malaking bagay, at in general health mo, talagang maaalagaan ng Sante Barley.
So this is the reason po kaya tinanggap nyo. Kasi mapili daw kayo Marami kami nababalitaan na nire-reject nyo, hindi nyo tinatanggap na endorsement.
Alam mo, pag ang produkto hindi ko ginagamit, hindi ko kayang i-endorse. Yes. Kung hindi ako naniniwala sa produkto, I have to believe in it first. Like, thank you for that applause. Like nung, ay kwento ko nga kanina, nag-research muna ako. I did my own research. Nag-google ako, ano bang benefits ng barley, lalo na yung Sante Barley. Nakita ko magaganda ang mga benefits. So, I believe in it. I've been using it. I've been taking it. So, kumbaga, maluwag sa loob mo na i-endorse. Yung galing sa puso mo, yung endorsement. Hindi yung nag-endorse ka lang kasi binayaran ka. On the side na lang yung bayad. Pero more than that, it's the paniwala mo sa produkto at makakatulong ka sa kapwa mo. Marami matutulungan itong Sante Barley.
Yeah, very well said, bossing. No? Ang ganda. Sir Joey, narinig mo yung sinabi ni Sir Bossing. Kung kami, mukhang kinilig yung mga tao mo. No? Talagang very much na-appreciate nila. Ano masasabi niyo po?
Sa amin kasi, like when I met si Bossing, kasi whenever we have a new brand ambassador in Sante, ako, I keep it a point. Ako to before we invite him to be part of the company, gusto ko munang ibenta sa kanya yung kumpanya. Because I don't want the brand ambassador na mag-join tama si Bossing just because of the talent fee. So binibenta ko muna sa kanya, ito yung Sante, this is how we started, this is our product, this is where we are going. If nakikita mo na makakasama ka namin for a long time, then you can be part of Sante as our brand ambassador. So ganoon ako lagi. And nakita ko nung first meeting namin ni Bossing, I think yung advocacy nag-align Sabi ko hindi mahihirapan kasi it's more than promoting the product. It's really highlighting the beauty of the entire company. Kasi ang Sante naman, honestly, hindi naman namin binibenta lang yung produkto. No questions asked, the product is really good. But we're selling the entirety of the business, including Sante as a company, because you would like the world to buy this company. Pag binili kasi ng buong mundo yung kumpanya, the product will always follow. And we always believe with the product. Kaya natutuwa kami kasi nung binili ni Bossing yung kumpanya, nakita niya na ito talaga yung pwede niya rin makasama for the next coming years. Natuwa naman kami. So, for us, it's really a match. Diba? It's really a match. It's really a worthwhile partnership to consider.
Yan, siyempre hindi ko na itatanong ang talent fee. Nilinaw naman ni Bossing, it's not about the talent fee. Pero knowing Sante din kasi very generous, diba, MJ? Si MJ nga, 1 million host Ha? Parang sa pagkagulat mo, hindi totoo. Okay. Anyways, congratulations, Bossing. Congratulations, Sir Joey. Kasi ang ganda ng sinabi talaga ni Bossing, di ba? Ako ginagamit ko din talaga. Alam ko yung benefits talaga yung sa health. Thank you.
Salamat, Julalin of Abante. Ang next po magtatanong, sir,
5 years supply din sa June Lalin.
Oh!
5 years.
Hindi namin nakakalimutan yung mga friends from press and media. Lagi
Dahil
namin sila.
naka-ano po yan? Naka-video po. Oo. So, naka-video ko pa talaga.
Madadala mo sa travels mo, Tito June.
5 years supply.
Ibebenta ko sa iba kasi ang dami naghahanap ng
Distributor. Baka maging Sunday elite ka na rin.
Correct.
Oo.
Ang susunod po na magtatanong, thank you June Lalin, si Sir Nestor Cuartero, ang aking college professor from the Market Monitor.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, hi, Vic. Absent ka today. May work ka ngayon sa Bulaga. Absent ka.
Hindi, naka-tape kami.
Naka-tape kayo ngayon.
Usually, we have 2 days of taped episodes, which we record the week before. So Monday and Tuesday, naka-tape kami.
Okay. So you're doing this because, well, of course, you have this Tante Barley endorsement. Anyway, you are obviously in very good health. Maganda yung wellness. So siguro, yung success nung The Kingdom will inspire you furthermore to take on new roles in movies or TV. Ano ang nakikita mong next step after The Kingdom?
I haven't thought about it yet. Maybe a prequel or a sequel. I don't know yet. Because it's become a very big hit. We've been receiving a lot of good reviews, good comments.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, tuwa nga ako doon sa isang nag-comment na Vic Soto is in the wrong genre for so many years. Sabi niya, so baka magbago na ako, maging drama actor na.
Totoo ba yan, Bossy?
No, I mean, kidding aside, ninanamnam ko pa yung pagtanggap sa akin ng mga manonood ng pelikulang Pilipino na nung una parang kabado ako eh. Tatanggapin pa ako in a serious role from start to finish.
Yes.
Tatanggapin ba nila nung ako'y mateteki? Para doon sa mga hindi nakakapanood, sorry, spoiler alert. And so nakita ko yung outcome. Pinanood ko yung after viewing the film. Sulit lahat ng pagod dahil I must admit talagang sobrang pagod ang yung paggawa namin ng pelikula. For so many months, I was memorizing my lines. I was in front of the mirror. Tinitignan ko yung sarili ko. Ano ba? Itsura ko pag sarado yung
Straight yung
sarado yung kilay, yung ganun. Paano ko maipoportray yun with the help of my best director, Michael Toviera. At sa tulong din ng mga kasama ko sa pelikula. Kasi they served as an inspiration for me. Nakita kong gaano kaseryoso si Piolo, gaano kaseryoso si Sid Lucero, at yung mga anak kong babae, si Christine, at si Sue Ramirez. They were very serious about their roles. They were talagang, they were giving it all, 100%.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, hindi pwedeng, kailangan, ganun din ako. So when I was watching the finished product, I felt that I was an amateur compared to these actors and actresses. Pero it paid off. Kumbaga, tanggal lahat yung pagod ko, yung puyat namin. We started filming July. We finished almost December na. Dahil na rin siguro, dahil sunod-sunod yung bagyo, dami namin pakap. It's all worth it. Sulit naman talaga yung lahat ng pagod.
Well, let me take this opportunity to congratulate you. I watched a lot of us watched the film. Ang galing. Maganda yung performance mo, and the whole film itself is quite good.
Thank you.
I anticipate some acting awards in the coming awards derby sa iba-ibang iba-ibang organization siguro from your end. Anyway, may I ask Mr. Marcelo, yun po bang Sunday barley, is that manufactured in the Philippines or you import the raw material or you import the whole thing from New Zealand?
Okay. When we were starting Sunday in the Philippines 17 years ago, we're buying products from New Zealand. Siguro I'll just cut the long story short. Siguro I can say that we are blessed as a company kasi we're the first ever Filipino company or maybe Asian company who was able to set up our own manufacturing facility in New Zealand. So ang Sunday na ngayon, a Filipino company owns a manufacturing plant in New Zealand. So yung raw materials ng barley, binibili namin from our facility in New Zealand, siniship sa Philippines, and we have local pharmaceutical companies na gumagawa ng product dito. So dito na natin minamanufacture yung product. And from the Philippines, okay, we export the product all over the world. So it's a Filipino-owned manufactured product. But the main raw material of barley grass galing yan sa planta at farm natin from New Zealand.
Okay. Last point po. Your other endorser is Kim Matienza, no? Panglalaki po ba ang barley? Bakit dalawang lalaki po ang inyong endorser?
Nagkataon lang kasi na si Kuya Kim was with us for tagal na. 12 years na namin kasama si Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim, bago pa siya maging endorser ng Sante, kasama ko pa siya sa triathlon community. We're into the same sport, triathlon. So kaya namin nakasama si Kim dito, bukod sa naging kaibigan ko, is because we're passionate with the same sport, triathlon. We would like Sante to be a product na hindi synonymous sa sickness. Although, let's face it, napakarami pong napagaling ng Sante barley kahit hindi namin pinopromote to as nakagaling kasi it's a food supplement. Nung nakasama namin si Kim, ang objective is to promote Sante for people who wants to have an active lifestyle, who's into sports, or kung hindi ka nag-sports, you need Sante barley so that para magkaroon ka ng active lifestyle. Hindi lang pang lalaki ang Sante, kasi makikita mo sa distribution network ng Sante all over the globe, marami po kami talagang members dito, mga babae. Nagkataon lang siguro na hindi pa kami nakaka-timing ng brand ambassador na babae for Sante. I don't know if I have to announce this, but before the end of the year 2025, we will be launching a lady brand ambassador. Meron na, hindi ko lang po masasabi ngayon. We've already signed a contract with her and we will be launching her before maybe mid of 2025.
Ready ka na ba, MJ?
Ano po, transformation. Yes, so sinimulan ko na kanina, bossing, iinumin ko na rin to in a while.
Okay. Salamat po. Salamat po.
Thank you,
Nestor.
Good luck, Vic. Thank you.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat, Sir Nestor Cuartero of the Market Monitor. Ito po ang susunod na magtatanong. Tread lightly, my love. Janice Navida from Bulgar. Talbog.
Go Ate Janice!
Hi, Bossy. Good morning.
Hi, Janice.
Congratulations on your new baby, new endorsement.
Thank you.
At your age, Bossing, 30-something, ang dami pong paring, very in-demand ka pa rin endorser, ha?
Yes.
Oo. Kaya bossing, sabi mo kanina, yung Sante barley, ang daming natutulong na health benefits sa'yo. Kaya ako, curious ako, bossing, kung how does Pauline take care of your health? Meron na ba siyang, mula na itong naging endorser ka ng Sante barley, and aside from drinking Sante barley, ano ba yung mga pinagbabawal niya sa'yo? Kasi nga, syempre, as we age, di ba, talagang iniingatan natin yung health natin. Meron ba siya mga pinagbabawal sa iyo like junk foods? O ayaw mo na ba mag-soft drink? Di ba? O ano pang mga healthy na binibigay sa iyo ni Pauline?
Isa sa mga regimen ko sa pagdating sa, lalo na sa pagkain, I only eat when it's time to eat. Hindi ako kumakain in between breakfast and lunch and dinner. Hindi ako ma-junk food. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga sweets. Pag meron, tikim-tikim lang. So, I take everything in moderation. Kahit let's say, alcohol or soft drinks. Lahat yan in moderation. So, yung isa sa mga healthy style of living. As a matter of fact, hanggang ngayon, wala pa akong maintenance. Wala pang kahoy dyan. Wala akong maintenance sa hypertension, diabetes, di katulad ng mga kasama ko sa programa.
May drumming, boss.
Si Joey, si Alan Kay, mga diabetic yan. And,
so pwede mo na silang bigyan itong Santi? Pwede mo na silang bigyan itong Santi Barley?
It's a very healthy food supplement. It's a superfood. Marami siyang benefits talaga. So for me, I'm just thankful sa ating Panginoon na ako'y sinaswerte, lalo na pagdating sa health, pagdating sa pangangatawan. Kasi we really have to take care of our bodies, we should have a healthy living, sleep at least 6 to 7 hours a day, enjoy the family, ganun ang aking buhay sa araw-araw.
Nakakapag-exercise ka din, bossing? Kasi si Pauline nakikita ko nagte-treadmill. Di ba nasasabayan mo ba siya?
Hindi. Kasi yung cycling niya, mahirap. Ano tawag doon? Yung gagano. Speeding. Hindi ko kaya yun. I do a lot of brisk walking. I play golf. Joey is a golfer, pero natigil. Pero babalik daw siya para para makapaglaro kami. So, playing golf and walking around the village, yun ang aking exercise. Yung aking may bahay, di ko kaya sabayan yung mga regimen niya sa exercise eh. Lalo na ngayon na nagpapapayat, she's on a diet. Santi Barley helps her with their diet. Pero yung exercise niya, very intense yun. Baka hindi na kayanin ng tuhod ko.
Naku, pero bossing, sa pag-inom mo ng Santi, baka na mas lumakas ang tuhod mo. Kasi yun nga tatanong ko kay Sir Joey, ano ba yung mga health benefits na naibibigay ng Santi? Kasi may mga nagki-claim na ibang barley products, di ba, na mabubuntis, nakakagamot ng mga cancer. Yung Santi po, ano pong nagagawa niya?
In terms of testimonies, we have a lot of stories. Of course, I cannot present everything here. Ano? Yung talagang may mga sakit na nagpapagaling. Pero if you ask me, people are asking me also, yung mga kaibigan ko, ano bang benefit sa'yo ng Santi Barley? Kasi just like si Bossy, siguro sa ngayon, we're blessed na wala kami mga maintenance medicine, hypertension, diabetes, wala. Pero ano yung benefit sa akin personally ng Santi Barley? So I'll answer lang based on how I use Santi Barley. I'm also active in sports. I do marathon, I do triathlon. So, ang Santi Barley sa akin, number one is a total complete food. Kasi marami tayong hindi nakakain na sa regular na pagkain natin na kailangan ng katawan natin. So, yung Santi Barley na nakatulong because based on study, Santi is a total complete food. It has all the essential vitamins, minerals, amino acid. Hindi ko na nakukuha sa pagkain yan. Kadalasan, you eat outside, restaurants, wala. So, I use Santi Barley to supplement yung mga kailangan ko sa katawan na natutulungan ako whenever I do trainings. I do trainings almost every day. Ngayon, January, balik na naman. Tapos na yung December na puro kain ang ginawa natin. So, balik uli ang training ko because I'm training for an Ironman event this year. I'm also training for several marathon races. Together with my family, my kids are also training with me. So, malaking tulong ng Santi Barley to boost our endurance, our immune system. Bonus na lang na halos, not in exaggeration, halos hindi talaga nagkakasakit yung pamilya namin. Yun yung naging benefit sa amin ng Santi Barley.
So, bossing, kung nakakapagpalakas pala siya, yun lalo na sa endurance, ipasok ko na yung next question ko. May plan pa bang sundan si Baby Mochi?
Ewan ko kung kaya pa rin Pauline. Ako, kaya pa. Ewan ko sa kanya, tanong niyo.
Kaya pa yan, bossing.
Magwa-1 year old na si Mochi on January 23. Parang bilis nga ng panahon. And we're just so thankful to God. And, she's healthy. Very beautiful baby. At medyo nakakatayo na. Nakakatayo na ng mag-isa niya. Pero mga 2 seconds lang, maksak ulit. Yung susundan, I always leave it to God kung i-bless pa kami.
Baby boy naman.
Well, okay na. Dami kong kapong lalaki. Gugulot. Anak ni Oyo, 5 lalaki.
Oo nga.
Tapos si Danica, may 2 lalaki. Pag nasa bahay, parang may riot parati sa bahay namin pag nandun yung mga apo kong lalaki. So, okay na sa akin mga babae. They're very sweet. They're very malambing. I always look forward to going home kasi tanggal lahat ng pagod mo sa trabaho pag nakita mo na yung mga anak mong mababait.
And then, mga daddy's girl, no, bossing? Super close sa'yo.
Yeah. Ewan ko kung daddy's girl ang tawag mo doon sa hindi tumatanggi. Pag may gusto sa mami at sa mami, no. Pagdating sa akin, yes.
Ganun naman taga. Yung last question ko na lang po, kasi yung tagline ng Santi Barley is, live more, do more, and achieve more. So, bossing, at your age now, meron pa po kayong gustong ma-achieve?
Marami pa. I'm the type of person na always, para sa akin, there's always room for improvement. Katulad sa mga, for example na lang, sa pelikula, I've tried doing a very serious role. Baka pwede pang sundan ng isa pa. Or maybe a serious role na may touches of comedy. I always tell myself that I have to improve. I want to do more. Like, ang isa sa mga tinatarget namin ngayon is the 50th anniversary of Ikbulaga.
Wow!
We are on our 46th year. So 4 years to go. Parang mabilis na yun. Mabilis na yun kasi parang kailan lang, nagsisimula pa lang kami. And now we're 46 years. At we're very thankful sa Panginoon at sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin na tumatangkilik sa Ikbulaga, sa ating mga kaibigan sa press na hanggang ngayon tayo'y nagkakasama. Mahal namin kayo lahat. We love you.
Bossing, last na lang kasi nabanggit mo na gusto mo baka maulit pa yung drama, di ba? Kung sakaling meron kang pangarap na actress, drama actress na gusto mong makasama, sino po sa local celebrities?
Alam mo, pag gumagawa ko ng pelikula, inuuna ko muna yung konsepto. Bago yung casting. Ano bang gusto natin gawin? Anong konsepto ang ating tatalakayin? So, pag nandun na yun, tsaka palang papasok yung casting. Doon sa tanong mo kung sinong actress, lahat naman ng mga actress natin ngayon pawang magagaling. So, kahit sino, pwede.
Si Ate V kaya?
Why not?
Oh, ayan. Thank you, bossing, and good luck po.
Thank you, Janet.
Maraming